Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Audi TT Roadster. The Audi TT Roadster offers a peppy ride that screams sports car. A sophisticated interior provides the latest in technology with an elegant design. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.